Happy Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to take a look at some of the document cameras they have in the district and, more importantly, how to use those cameras to record images or videos into your laptop that you can use to share with your students. All right, so first things first, let's look at some examples of what I might want to record, like solutions to a math problem or steps in an art process. I could model how to use a learning station in my classroom or record a science experiment for later review. I could record mini lessons for using with absent students or for reviewed before test time. In addition, I could take pictures of real world objects that are part of a unit that I want to include. There's only really ever one main don't. Don't use your equipment to record students without permission from both administrators and parents. We have more than one model of document camera in the district. The oldest ones are the Qomo QD series, QD 3800, 3900s, a few other ones. They're the ones with a large kind of flatbed and two arms with light bars on them. They're the kind of standard one you've seen around forever. The next newest one is going to be the Hovercam Orbit. You're going to see those mostly in the Kirkwood campus and a few of the other newer schools added in the last 2 or 3 years. They're more of a mobile one, and they have a little wireless antenna on the back. The newest version just started being added this year. It is the Qomo Wandercam Pro. And again, it's same company as our original ones, but then it's also more mobile. All three can use a USB cable to be able to connect them to your laptop. Once you're connected to the laptop and it's powered on, you'll be able to use any camera app such as Zoom, Screencastify, Loom, or even Windows 11 camera app to be able to record images or video. Let's start with the original one, the Qomo QD series. Some classrooms may have the newer model of the 3900. You can identify it by having no model number in the corner, but a blue dial on the left-hand side. You'll need a different cable. This one has USB-A, which is the wide one, and USB-B on the other end, which is the square-looking one, and it goes in the port on the back for the square one, and the regular one goes into your USB port on your laptop. Now let's take a look at the Hovercam Orbit. The Hovercam Orbit is going to be found mostly in the buildings in the last several years, including the Kirkwood campus and several other buildings that have been added or updated in the last few years up until this year. For this one, again, you'll see that it has the wireless antenna with the H on the back. That'll be a way to identify it. Plus, there are two USB-C ports on the back, one with a lightning symbol and another one with the USB symbol. The one we're going to need for this is the USB symbol one. And you'll need one of two cords. Either you'll need a cord that has your standard USB on one end and that narrow USB-C that comes with modern electronics, or you'll need one that has USB-C on both ends. It will also have a cable tag that says data and power, not just power. As of the 25-26 school year, the newest model being added to schools is going to be the Wandercam Pro. It is typically plugged in via HDMI, and if you unplug the USB-C to be able to connect it to your laptop, you're going to want to make sure you plug that USB-C back in because that is the cord that's used to power and charge the Wandercam Pro. To get started, plug in a USB-C cable, the USB-C side to where the power cable was. Remember to make sure you plug the power cable back up when you're done. Plug the other side to any port on your laptop. Next, with the power turned on for your document camera, switch the switch from HDMI to USB. Remember, when you're finished, switch back to HDMI so you can show it on your projector screen. Once your document camera has been turned on, connected via USB to a USB port on your laptop, now you're ready to go and connect it to any camera app inside your Windows laptop, whether it's Zoom, Screencastify, Loom, or even the built-in Windows 11 camera app. When you click, you'll be able to see that you're using your webcam at first, but if you look in the top corner, you'll see the familiar button to be able to switch over to the secondary camera. Now you can take video, take photos, scan documents, and anything else that you can do with the Windows camera app. Depending on what app you use, will determine where your images and video are stored. In the case of the Windows 11 camera app, if you go to the Explorer Finder and then go to Pictures, there should be a folder called Camera Roll, and all video and images that are taken with the camera app will be in the Camera Roll folder in the Pictures folder inside of your Explorer. No matter which document camera you have, now you have the opportunity to be able to record images and video and use them in the content for your students.
If you want to find out more, reach out to us individually or through our instructional technology email, instructionaltechnology@cmcss.net.
On Tuesdays, we have open office hours. Those are from 2:30 to 5 o'clock in the afternoon for you to ask any instructional technology questions that you have. If we don't know the answer then, we can absolutely get back to you with a Screencastify, a Zoom, or an in-person meeting to help you out. Here's the next few weeks worth of trainings. Stay tuned for more. If you need help with this or other instructional technology, reach out to us at instructionaltechnology@cmcss.net. Join our YouTube channel at Tech Tip Tuesday, or visit us at our website, tinyurl.com/cmcssits.